There's a kind of race among social media companies to see who can produce the most amount of short form content, TikTok content, and Reels content, whatever they are calling these, on each of these individual platforms, and it might not be working on any of these platforms. So I have a quote here from TechCrunch. The next bottleneck that we are focused on to continue growing Reels is improving monetization, efficiency, or the revenue that's generated per minute of Reels watched. Currently, the monetization efficiency of Reels is much less than feed. So the more that Reels grow, even though it adds engagement to the system overall, it takes some time away from feed and we actually lose money. That's a huge problem. There's been a lot of issues with short form content on individual social media platforms. In fact, Facebook, Meta, has just suspended their creator fund. The funds that they were giving out to creators who reached certain benchmarks has been suspended because they are not making enough money with short form content. And I have another quote here from Instagram. Good news for Instagram purists. Instagram chief 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹𝟎 says the platform has gone too hard on pushing videos and I will look to making photos more of a focus once again in 2023. The problem with these platforms and with the short form content is there's no money because nobody wants to watch freaking 15-second video ad in between watching 15 to 30 seconds short form content. That's the problem with these platforms. And another problem is these platforms have created monsters that have took the focus away from the quality content, the content that matters, and the content that converts. When TikTok came out of the gate swinging in 2020, that really felt like Vine 2.0. They really changed the way people view content. Everybody was trained to seek very fast, high energy short form content. But the problem is the short form content can't build a relationship with your audience. Because if you are a creator and you are creating short form content and somebody subscribe to you because of your shorts, that's good, that's awesome, but that doesn't necessarily means that they would watch your videos when they will see one of your videos, and they may even not recognize you when your videos hit their face on the homepage. That's the problem with this short form content. Now let's talk about how short form content became a kind of trend and every platform adopts it. So over the past few years, short form content has gained immense popularity on each of the social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok and YouTube Shorts. It was the era of bite-sized videos, a time when you could capture your audience's attention in just a few seconds. But now it seems this trend is fading away. So have you ever wondered why the era of short form content is fading away? Is it because people have lost interest to it, or there's something more to it? So let's start with the first thing, why short form content is losing its charm. The rise of long form content is the primary reason behind this shift. Platforms like YouTube are focusing more on long form content. It provides more opportunities to creators to engage with their audience. Now there is something very interesting happening with YouTube. YouTube guys, instead of trying to go back to their long form 15 to 20-second videos, YouTube is saying no, we are gonna go head to head with podcast industry. Guess what? Podcast industry is tiny as compared to these other platforms. And if you see how many active podcasts there are about 700,000 active podcasts. Now let's see how many active YouTube channels there are. And there are about 46.7 million YouTube creators who consider themselves amateur. So compare that with 500,000 people who are doing podcast, and there is a complete untapped market for podcasters in this industry. So this is mind-blowing. So that's why we say YouTube is actually very smart about it. And there is another reason that short form content is losing its popularity is because of Instagram. So Instagram has made changes to its algorithm to prioritize video content over static posts. While this may seem like good news to creators who are producing short form content, but it has led to a flood of short form content on the platform, making it harder for individual creators to stand out. Moreover, the competition of attention has increased on social media platforms. With so many creators producing short form content, it has become difficult to create unique, and engaging short form content that converts. The short form content, as we already said, cannot build a relationship with your audience, because you cannot build a relationship or provide quality in just 30 seconds. So as we can see that the long form content converts more, and if you create short form content that may perform well on social media platforms, but you could not convert your audience with it. So what is the solution to this? In my opinion, create both short form content and long form content, and try to clip the important parts of your videos and turn them into a short form content. As you can see, many creators are doing this. They are clipping out shorts from their long form content or podcasts. What that really does is that you are converting your short form content audience to your long form content. The future of content creation is uncertain, but one thing is for sure: the creators who can adopt the changing landscape will thrive in the years to come. I hope this video was helpful for you and you would be focusing on creating both content, creating the short form content and long form content as well. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have come this far, then check out this video over here that is about 7 tools for video creators that you should definitely know about. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks. See you in the next one.